Hey friends, this is Mansoor Suhail from My Learnings. Today we're going to talk about how starting your own business is the best way to beat the regular 9 to 5 grind. So let's dive in. One great way to break free from the 9 to 5 routine is by starting your own business. It allows you to pursue your passions, take control of your life, and become your boss. To embark on the journey of entrepreneurship, consider these steps. Number 1, identify your passion. Reflect on your interests and what excites you. Launching a business in a field that truly interests you will help keep you motivated during times. Number 2, research your market. Once you have pinpointed your passion, the next step is to explore the market. Look for gaps or opportunities that your business can capitalize on. Who are the customers you could cater to? What are their specific needs? Understanding your target market is crucial for achieving success. Number 3, develop a business plan. A crafted business plan is essential for aspiring entrepreneurs. Outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, competitive analysis, and financial projections in detail. By making decisions and presenting a plan, you can attract investors and make sound choices. Number 4, when registering your business, choose a name. Complete the necessary paperwork with government authorities. This process not protects your brand, also ensures that your operations are compliant with regulations. Number 5, establishing a system is crucial. Separate your business funds from your personal finances. For money management, set up a business bank account and consider consulting with an accountant. To ensure stability, keep an eye on your income, expenses, and taxes. Number 6, building a presence is essential. In today's digital era, having a website is non-negotiable. To connect with your target audience, create a website, establish media profiles, and utilize digital marketing strategies. Remember that optimizing your site for search engines is key to increasing visibility. Number 7, start small and scale gradually. Just like Rome wasn't built in a day, will your business gather feedback from customers by launching with a product or service. Use this input to refine and improve your offerings as you grow. Number 8, networking is vital. Forge connections with entrepreneurs, industry professionals, and potential clients. Engage with your industry by attending network events, joining communities, and participating in relevant gatherings. Your collaboration or business opportunity could arise from anyone you meet along the way. Number 9, launching a business isn't always sailing. It's important to tackle challenges head on and learn from missteps. And number 10, finally, stay prepared to adapt and learn from any challenges you face along the way. Don't lose hope if things don't go as planned. Setbacks are a part of the journey towards achieving success. Keep your determination strong. Keep moving. Enjoy the experience. The process of starting your business is exciting. Celebrate your achievements. Savor the victories and learn from your mistakes. Strike a balance between your professional life. Remember to prioritize self-care. By following these guidelines and staying true to your goals, you can steer clear of the 9 to 5 routine. Create a business that brings fulfillment and happiness. I wish you all the best as you embark on this journey. So, are you ready to turn your business dreams into reality? Our comprehensive course, step-by-step guide to starting your own business is designed to help you navigate the journey with confidence. Whether you are just brainstorming ideas or ready to launch, this guide provides practical insights and actionable steps for every stage of your entrepreneurial journey. Visit our website to learn more and start your adventure today. Your future business is just a click away. And of course, folks, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Your support helps us bring more valuable insights to you promptly. Thank you for being a part of our community.